It's a Honda 2015 and higher. Change the right tail light. This is how we replace it. You got 4 nuts there, which is the 8 millimeters. Take off all the wires, the bulbs, and everything. There's a screw here, which is this one. You're gonna need to use a torque bit T30, and then of course with a plastic you're gonna need to take it off from here, but also you have 2 Phillips screws, one right there, one right here, and then we'll pop the bumper out to change it out. Once you're there, push the bumper out. You got 2 10s right there. I'm gonna take those 2 out. Don't forget to take this bracket off and put it on the new one. Just a Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screw me. There we go. New one. Let's put it back the way it goes. The way it took it off. Alright, I gotta put those 2 screws back on again. 10 millimeter, like I said. Try to tighten them up by hand. And pretty much you just do everything backwards. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. But this is how you do this one here. You gotta take up the bumper. Just need the tools you need. It's a 10, an 8, Phillips screwdriver, and a T30 with extensions, and of course the plastic. I don't know, the plastic tools. Pop the bumper. Thank you for watching.